video, I'm going to teach you how to make salsa.
So today we're going to make some salsa. So we're going to go over here and we're going to like get some salt. But I'm not, oh, I got it. Usually can't get it, so we're going to put it right here. And then we're going to need to go in the cabinet up here. And then we need to get this. And then we also need a blender. So you need a blender. So we got to bring this over here. And then we also need this to put on top. So now we're gonna go in the fridge and we're gonna get some 2 garlics, right? 2 garlics. Oh wait, no, 2 peppers and 1 garlic. So we get like, no, that's too small. So it's kind of hard to find this. So we get 2 of these. So we got 1 garlic and 2 of these. These are the right ones? Okay, so then we just, hold on. We put those there. I'm gonna get organized, so we're gonna put that over there, put this stuff here, take off this cap, put that there. We're gonna throw that in there. We're gonna put some salt in there too. Just the amount you like. I get like about that much. Put that over there, because I know I used it. Plug this in. Still, wait, hold on. Like this. Plug it in. Okay, so then we have that. Looks about right. Yeah, and then we gotta go over here. And we got tomatoes. So then we have to go over here to the jar, and then we get this thing. I don't know what you call it, but I'm gonna use it. And then, okay, so it's kind of hard to do this. Okay. We need help. Some things I can't do this on myself. Yeah, I can hold. And then the side cup keeps on going off. And it also sometimes gets stuck, so yeah. Okay, so now that we have that, we pour just like a little bit in there, like about that much. And then we put this lid on. Put that over there. Put this lid on. Look in there, it kind of looks like just red, but bring this over here. This is where it comes in. And it's about to be really loud, by the way. And then you blend it. Ugh. Let's see. Got it. Open it up. And then it kind of looks like this. Is a little bit chunky, but it's fine. And then you go over here to the sink. You just pour the rest in, right? Okay. I was like, am I missing something? And then you just pour the rest in there. A bunch of tomatoes. Bring that over there. Throw this away. So now that we have that, put that on. And then you go up and down like about 2 or 3 times. Go up, down, and then up. And then that's good. And then it should look like kind of like this. And then take it off, get a bowl out. And then you pour it in as much as you want.
Is it too chunky?
It's a little chunky.
It's okay.
Okay. And then you put this lid up, whatever lid that you like to put on. And then you put it in the fridge. And then this thing goes in the sink. And then you have your salsa. And that's the end.